COVID-19 lockdown extended till May 3rd, says PM Modi. Shillong doctor first COVID-19 positive case of Meghalaya. Assam Rifles foils smuggling of sanitation, hygiene materials along Indo-Myanmar border. Hello, you're watching the news today at 1. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today extended the nationwide lockdown till May 3rd in order to prevent spread of coronavirus. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the nation this morning at 10, the last day of the 21-day lockdown. He announced that the lockdown has been extended till May 3rd and will be imposed even more strictly. According to a media report, the total number of confirmed corona cases in India has reached 10,453 and fatalities 358 with 1,985 cases. Maharashtra has the highest number of cases in the country, while Madhya Pradesh has the highest death rate among all Indian states. This was Modi's third address to the nation in the last 1 month in view of the COVID-19 pandemic.
ये तो पहले से ही लॉकडाउन को बढ़ाने का फैसला कर चुके हैं। साथियों, सारे सुझावों को ध्यान में रखते हुए ये तय किया गया है को अब 3 मई तक और बढ़ाना पड़ेगा। यानी 3 मई तक हम सभी को, हर देशवासी को लॉकडाउन में ही रहना होगा। इस दौरान हमें अनुशासन का उसी तरह पालन करना है जैसे हम करते आ रहे हैं।
Meghalaya yesterday registered the first COVID-19 positive case. The COVID-19 positive patient is a 69-year-old doctor of Bethany Hospital in Shillong. As per media reports, Meghalaya Health Minister A.L. Heck confirmed the news, saying the doctor tested positive for the deadly COVID-19 virus. Heck said Bethany Hospital has been sealed indefinitely. The Health Minister had a detailed discussion with Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and directed the Health Commissioner to follow the COVID-19 protocol. The hospital is being turned into a quarantine center and doctors, nurses and other staffs would be put under surveillance for next 14 days. Heck also directed the Health Commissioner to identify all the patients the 69-year-old doctor had handled during the last 2 weeks. All the patients are likely to be placed in quarantine for the next 14 days. Family members of the patient will be put under home quarantine, Heck said. Meanwhile, Meghalaya Chief Secretary M.S. Rao in a press release informed that a 48-hour curfew has been promulgated from 6 a.m. today in Shillong and nearby areas. All the patients who had visited Bethany Hospital on or after March 22nd were requested to register themselves by calling 108. Mizoram recorded the second case of COVID-19 on Monday. A 26-year-old woman has tested positive for the dreaded virus in Mumbai. This was informed by Mizoram Chief Secretary Lanung Mawa Chuango. The Chief Secretary further said the isolation process has just begun and she is being treated at a hospital in Mumbai. Meanwhile, Mizoram, in a bid to contain the spread of the coronavirus, has extended the lockdown till April 30. However, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had extended country-wide lockdown till May 3rd next. Moray Battalion 43 Assam Rifles once again showed the best border guarding force of the Indo-Myanmar border. The Assam Rifles seized a huge consignment of sanitation and hygiene materials, including Dettol liquid and Dettol soaps, which were being smuggled to Myanmar when the country is facing shortage of these critical items. Despite repeated warnings, some people are indulging in smuggling of medicines, disinfectants, sanitation and hygiene materials, ignoring the threat of deadly coronavirus. We'll take a short break here. Keep watching.
Khanghanjaba Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited na Hogzik Oiriba Khudongchadba kaya sigi yenglaga miyam gi damag hospital asigi maternity ward pung kunmari hangduna miyam gi thawal tawjaragani adumakpu hospital asigi atopa department sing di service leptugani hospital asida laktingai mamangda makhada pizariba contact number asida hanana appointment lobiu amadi patient ka miyoi amadagi hena loina biraktanaba khanghanjari Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited, Rim Southgate, Kombirei Kaitel, contact number 8258967890.
Welcome back. Indian companies and government entities have placed order for 15 million personal protective equipment kits, including gowns and masks, and 1.5 million rapid testing kits from China, officials said today. As per reports, the Indian government is calling on China to fulfill those orders amid concerns over tightened regulations on exporting such equipment by Chinese authorities following criticism from several European countries over the quality of exports. Protesting against the mysterious death of a 24-year-old youth, irate residents of Hejang village and T Yangkhom village blocked a National Highway 102 bypass road. TH Deepak Meitei of Kunau Laikai More Ward number 9 was found dead under mysterious circumstances last morning near Hejang Bridge in Sajang village under More. Meitei Council More also condemned the incident and suspected foul play in Deepak's death. Harebi Youth Council distributed ration to the people of Lilong, Harebi, Mayailekai. Some parts of Lilong in Thoubal district are currently under strict surveillance after one COVID-19 positive case was detected. Ration was distributed to around 550 households of the area. President of Harebi Youth Council, MB Taj Khan, said that the items were provided with the contribution made by the council members. Under the guidance of former Minister and Mangi Kumbi Block Congress Committee handed over edible items to a 56-year-old woman, Loitongbam Ongbi Mema Devi of Wangu Ahlup Chaiteklekai, who has not been keeping well for quite some time. BJP Manipur Pradesh today observed the 129th birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar at the Khangabok residence of former party Vice President Thokchom Jadumani in Thoubal district. As part of the observance, drinking water was distributed to every household in Khangabok constituency. Office bearers of BJP Khangabok Mandal took part in the function. We'll take another short break. Keep watching. Welcome back. Loktak Lift Irrigation Farmers Development Committee Bishnupur condoled the death of former Deputy Chief Minister of Manipur Dr. L. Chandramani. Committee President N. Sanajaba, Advisor N. Joy Kumar, Treasurer L. Premila and members of the committee paid tribute to the late leader. They also observed a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to him. Researchers have detected coronavirus in 2 species of bats from 4 states in India. An Indian Council of Medical Research study published on Monday shows, as per a media report, bats are known reservoirs for a broad range of coronaviruses and are often transmitted to humans through an intermediate host. Throughout, samples of 2 bat species from 7 states were screened for the virus, of which samples from Kerala, Himachal Pradesh, Puducherry and Tamil Nadu were found positive. Samples from Karnataka, Chandigarh, Gujarat, Orissa, Punjab and Telangana were negative. Enlightoppedia has provided science and maths online classes for class 10 students free of subscription fee. The course has been taken up to provide online classes to the students during the COVID-19 lockdown. Students can get the app at Google Play Store and can also follow the Enlightoppedia team on social media pages or contact number 7640971555. Globally, 119,682 people have died from COVID-19 and confirmed infections have reached 19,24,927. As per reports, the United States has recorded 5,86,941 coronavirus cases and its death toll stands at 23,640, while Russian President Vladimir Putin has said outbreak in his country is bad and getting worse. In war-torn Libya, residents are facing a dire choice: stay at home or flee missiles. On the other hand, China has approved early-stage human tests for 2 experimental vaccines to combat the new coronavirus as it battles to contain imported cases, especially from neighboring Russia, the new front line in the war on COVID-19. Now we have the top news headlines. COVID-19 lockdown extended till May 3rd, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Shillong doctor first COVID-19 positive case of Meghalaya. Assam Rifles foils smuggling of sanitation hygiene materials along Indo-Myanmar border. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.